Now it's time to review my favorite Tieren, the Tieren Tausi. I like the Tieren Tausi because of this part of the head. It looks like a bottle, like the top of a soda can. Yeah. You had to put stickers here for these parts, and here too, these silver shiny stickers. This is the front, and this is the back. So let's take a look at the articulation. Alright, so it can move forward and back. The waist can look up and down, and a little bit side to side. Arms can go all the way around, bend at the elbow, only up to there. These have a joint down here. They come out like this also. They could go up and down, and then they fold back into themselves like that. You get the standard rail gun, I guess. The standard gun plugs into the side of the forearm, and also it's on the swivel, so it can move. You get an open hand with the Tieren, with the Tausi. And that's about it for the the top articulation. These are on a joint, and these are on a ball joint. The bottom half is different from the Space Tieren. You get, with the Tausi, a carbon blade and an extra hand. And just for fun, these are pieces that belong to the regular Tieren. They're the inner thigh. I don't know why he kept them, but maybe one day I could swap them out. So the legs can go up like that. They bend all the way like this. They also go out a little bit. The foot's on a ball joint. Moves around like that. Even though it looks like there's a joint here, there isn't. And you have this gas tank on the back, which goes up and down like that. Like I got the command type, the Tieren command type from Big Bad Toy Store. I think it was around $12, $12.99. I bought this guy, the Tieren Tausi, at my local store in Chinatown for about $21. I mean, if you like the design and you're a boy or not, the blue Tieren comes with a different machine gun than this. So you get the same awesome design with a cool machine gun. I don't think I'll buy Sergei's Tieren Tau Z just because I already have this Tau Z. The only difference is the gun and the paint. That's like buying the GNX3 from the A-Laws. I already got the GNX3. But the Tau Z is kind of like a peg warmer. It's an easy mobile suit to find. I don't know if this would make a good present for your girlfriend, you know, like Happy Valentine's Day, here's a Tau Z. But if your girlfriend's into anime, maybe she'll like it, but you'll have to build it for her. Don't give her the box. Alright guys, see ya, and thanks for watching. Bye.